we need not solve this right now, or you can solve this, that's better. So 20,000 into 100 upon 105. Now this solution, just multiply this, it becomes how many zeros? 6 zeros upon 105, and 2 and 6 zeros upon 105. Now division. Now this division is easy if you follow Vedic mathematics tricks. So follow my videos for that, and the answer you get is 19047.6. Okay, so this is the cost price. You can try this yourself, but I would suggest follow this Vedic maths and then only do it, because by Vedic maths you do it very fast as compared to your normal maths. Okay, let's move ahead. So one point which I understood or which I noted was this concept is very difficult to understand for you guys. Means how come this CP1 into 105 upon 100, what is this? Here, always follow a simple logic. Suppose if I bring something for 100, then means buy something for 100, how much will I sell for? 5% profit, so 105. Okay, now I want a CP1. So at what price should I bring something so that I can sell it for 20,000? So in that case, what will you do? Cross multiply. CP1 equal into 105 equals to 20,000 into 100. So when this 105 comes down, same thing happened over here, right? Understand this logic. Okay, let's move ahead. Now other buffalo. Now other buffalo, what? Loss of 10%. So if I bring that buffalo for 100 rupees, then I'll have to sell it at 90, right? Percentage means 100. So 90 I'll have to sell it. So at what price should I bring that second buffalo so that I can sell it at 20,000 with a loss of 10%? So what is this then? CP2 into 90 equals to 20,000 into 100, right? CP2 into 90 equals to 20,000 into 100. So bring this 100 on this side. So what happens now? 90 on this side. So what is CP2 now? 20,000 into. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.